Here's the church and here's the steeple. Open the doors and see all the people. You sit right here, they sit over there. On Sunday we worship, fellowship, and care. You're part of the church, a spoke in the wheel. When a member is hurting, you cook a fresh meal. There's a place for you here, a place where you fit. People who accept you, a family that's close-knit. Visitors, relatives, and friends fit here too. You smile and you greet them from safe in your pew. But have you ever considered just how many there are affected by this ministry from near and afar? When you really think hard, try to get a good count. You will find you are shocked by the total amount. The Bible study you attend is a fair place to start. Learning and fellowship so close to your heart. And what about the music, the sounds which are raised by people of all ages in amazing, joyful praise? Our young people flock in with hopes abounding, looking for acceptance in all their surroundings. Some join the youth group for fellowship and games, while others find programs better suited to their aims. Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts meet here every week, laughing and growing as merit badges they seek. And lessons are taught both in music and art, true expressions of God straight from young hearts. There are others who contribute their talents and time. By knitting blankets and shawls, their work is quite fine. Lest you forget, this building we share. It's a home to another church who really does care. And the people that are burdened with struggles and strife find support that helps them move on with their life. There is also a place from those different from us, who look for deliverance from the hassles and fuss. We open our doors for people to host, celebrations and parties where it's needed the most. And the missions that people from this community do create an impact that's too good to be true. If you really try to number the lives that we touch, you would be shocked by it all so very much. For some of us counted and the number is great. 2,000 or 3,000? Nope, 5,208. And each one is a person looking for grace, who happens to find it in this wondrous place. But were there no church, not even a steeple, what then would happen to all of those people? God has a vision here, and it's not about us. We just do our share and give God our trust.